Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a virtual journey to one of the most breathtaking destinations in the world, Lauterbrunnen. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, Lauterbrunnen is a hidden gem that showcases the sheer beauty of nature. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the enchanting beauty of Lauterbrunnen together. As soon as you arrive in Lauterbrunnen, you'll be mesmerized by the awe-inspiring landscapes that surround you. The village is located in a valley, flanked by towering cliffs and surrounded by majestic mountains. With its 72 waterfalls, Lauterbrunnen is often referred to as the Valley of Waterfalls, and rightfully so. The most famous of these waterfalls is the mighty Staubach Falls, which cascades down from a height of nearly 300 meters. The sight and sound of the water plunging into the valley below is simply breathtaking. And don't forget to bring your camera along. The photo opportunities here are endless. Lauterbrunnen is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The village is surrounded by lush green meadows, alpine forests, and pristine hiking trails. Whether you're an experienced hiker or simply looking for a leisurely stroll, there's something for everyone here. The trails will lead you to stunning viewpoints, charming Swiss chalets, and tranquil alpine lakes. One of the most popular hikes in Lauterbrunnen is the path to the Schilthorn. As you ascend, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the surrounding mountains, including the famous Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking 360-degree view of the Swiss Alps. Lauterbrunnen itself is a picturesque village with traditional Swiss charm. The village is dotted with charming wooden chalets, flower-filled balconies, and cozy cafes. Now, let's talk about the adventure activities that Lauterbrunnen has to offer. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush, you won't be disappointed. The region is a mecca for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities. You can go paragliding, soaring through the skies and taking in breathtaking views from above. Or try your hand at canyoning, descending through narrow gorges and cascading waterfalls. For those who prefer winter sports, Lauterbrunnen is also a fantastic destination for skiing and snowboarding, with its pristine slopes and snow-covered landscapes. Let's not forget about the water activities. Lauterbrunnen is surrounded by pristine alpine lakes and rivers, offering opportunities for kayaking, paddleboarding, and even swimming for the adventurous souls. The crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a serene and refreshing experience. So, if you're a water lover, don't miss the chance to dip your toes or jump right in. Well, there you have it, folks, the beauty of Lauterbrunnen in all its glory.